This video shows how to convert scanned PDFs that contain images of text into actual readable text using UDOIT in Canvas. Within the Canvas course menu, click on UDOIT Cloud 3.0. This will start a scan of your course. Click on the Review Files tab above the scan results. Narrow down the view by clicking on the Filter button and selecting only Scanned File under Issues. You can see that some of the files already have other formats. This third file does not, so I'm going to click on the Review button. In the next screen that pops up, look at the alternate formats and request Auto-Tagged PDF at the bottom of the list. This may take quite a while. You can close this window and it will continue to process the file. You just need to make sure to come back later to finish replacing the original. Once an auto-tagged PDF has been generated, the option becomes available to replace file with an auto-tagged PDF. Click on this. In the next window, you can download the new version of the file for future use. This way, you'll never have to fix this file again. When you're ready, click on Replace File. You'll see a confirmation message that the file has been replaced. You can now close this window. Here you'll see that PDF is now listed as an alternate format for the file.